this is Julia Wiley. Welcome to my yoga and meditation channel. This is a 5-minute healing meditation to help you relax and unwind. This meditation can be done after a yoga class, first thing in the morning to start off your day, or any time you want to take a break and feel refreshed. You don't need any special knowledge to do this meditation. Just relax and listen to the sound of my voice. Just let it wash over you. Make yourself comfortable, whether sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently and take a couple of deep breaths in and out through the nose. Now lift one arm a few inches from your side and shake it gently. Then let it relax. Do the same with your other arm. Now one leg and the other. Use your mind to consciously relax your body. I'd like for you now to imagine a healing power which is going to enter your head and sweep through your body, healing as it passes through. It will feel like a slight, pleasant, tingling sensation. So imagine now that the healing power is entering the crown of your head. Feel it start to flow into your brain and into your face. Feel the tingling sensation as you relax your forehead and your eyes. Relax your throat and feel the healing sensation flow down into your neck and your shoulders. Feel the tensions melt away and the healing sensation moves into your arms. Feel it wash through your muscles, smoothing out any knots, washing out the toxins. Feel it flow down your arms and out of your fingertips, carrying away the debris, leaving your body clean, washed and relaxed. Feel the healing power enter your heart and your lungs, cleaning and clearing and healing. It finds those old wounds, those tight spots of past injuries and locked up emotions, and gently releases them. Just watch them float away. Feel the relief. Let them go. You don't need them anymore. Relax as the healing sensation travels down your back. Feel your spine tingle with pleasure and renewed energy. Let go of every sense of holding, every subtle tension, every tightness and contraction. Feel the internal organs tingle as they get washed clean, repaired and purified. Soften and relax as you feel the healing sensation flow down your hips and into your legs. It washes over the muscles and the bones, clearing out the debris of lactic acid buildup, of tension and knots. Feel it flow out of your toes, leaving your body renewed from top to bottom. Feel wide open like a conscious sky. Feel your body glowing with the energy that you are made of. And Now stretch your spine out as long as it will go without being rigid. Stretch your legs away from you and your arms over your head, and effortlessly expand outwards in all directions. And then slowly open your eyes and let your attention come back into the room, feeling renewed and feeling rejuvenated. If you've enjoyed this meditation, you may like to subscribe to my channel. I release yoga and meditation videos every week, and if you click on the bell symbol and choose all, you'll get notified whenever they are released. Here are a few videos that I think you may enjoy. I hope you make meditation part of your daily routine. See you tomorrow.